Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is live trading, day trading the markets in real time. Today I'll be trading price action, looking for high probability setups, scalping and intra-trade trades across Forex, futures. I'm focusing on support and resistance, market structure, and risk management. So you will see the entries and exits, winning and losing trades, and how I manage stop loss and take profit live. This is not a financial advice, this is an educational trading content. It's for beginner traders, so if you are into profitable trading strategies, no indicator trading, and live market trading analysis, welcome. For high probability setups, scalping and intra-trade trades across Forex, futures. I'm focusing on support and resistance. So let me share the chart. Hey Tiberio, good morning. How are you? How are you today? Oh, okay, I guess that's it. This is one of the trades that I took this morning, but we're gonna look for another one. So let's do this. Okay, I cover. Hello, hello, hello. All these trades that I'll be taking here in this demo account, I'll be taking it on my cash account too. So you guys know. We had some news at 10. This red candle here. Let me see what happened. We're gonna have some more news for the oil. So if you trade oil, jobs. Be careful at 10:30. Okay. Okay, so let's mark some areas here. I like to mark it live. Okay, so the next area that I'm watching is this. Pretty far. Let me put it here. I'm good, Tiberio. I'm good. Drinking my coffee and trying to find some trades here for you guys. Okay, so this is an area that was a demand zone before, but the price just broke it. This is where I took my loss yesterday. On 1 minute, let me show you. Here. I saw the price going here at this demand area, rejected it, nice, and I waited for the price to go below EMA and I got in. And what happened? Pam pam. It went opposite direction. Okay, so what I'm looking for now, I'm looking for the price to get back to the EMA. in order to take a trade in a Dow. But let's look at other instruments. What other instruments you guys want me to look at right now? Because it's gonna take a little bit. This is a entry of the morning. Price went below EMA, retested it, break an area, and it went down. And that's what happened. Let's go to gold. I know you guys love gold. And if you're watching, say hi in the chat. Don't be rude. Say hello to me. And let me know how you guys hear me and if the video is still like yesterday, lacking. Okay. Gold. Let's go to gold to 5 minutes. Hello. Here we go. We can mark this area right here for gold. We can see when the price touched this area here many times. 1, 2. Nobody rude should be here, right? 3. So now the price is around this area. We can watch and see how it's gonna react. Where are you from, Tibet? I know you where you from, but where from Romania you are, Tiberium? Which part? Or you told me on Instagram, but if you told me, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Here we go. That's what I'm watching at the gold. Let's go back to 1 minute. What we're waiting for is to see either a rejection of this area or a break and retest. So, oh, Yash, you told me, right? Because I said I'm from Vatra Dornei. I'm gonna start soon making content in Romanian. On a different Instagram. I'm gonna open a different Instagram and make some content in Romanian. See how it's gonna work. Okay, let's see Dow. What is Dow doing? Oh, it's dropping. Let's see how it's gonna react around this area. And we can also make a trend line. It's a trend line, so now we can also yeah, they're coming from Moldova, Bukovina. We can also wait for a break of the trend line, break and retest for a little scalp. We'll see. We will see. Let me make a picture of this and share it on my Instagram because nobody wants to come here. We are the world. We are the children. We are the one. I put it with red. Punk, make it bigger. Sorry. Now let me look for the link. Hey, Marianne. Hello, hello. How was your trading day? Or did you trade? We are the chill. What? Not good? What happened? Tell me. That's it. Waiting for a setup. Short. Wow. What, Tiberio? Can we call that a pre-rejection sign? This here? Sounds like the level is a battle. You can call it if you want a pre-rejection, but you need more confirmations. I mean, I just don't. I need more confirmation. I need, for example, if rejects this area, I need also to break the trend and give me a retest of the trend. I need confirmations, not just one. But if you're adventurous, you can do that. Because I might not be marked this area exactly, so it can be a look, it can be a pre-rejection, here. But wait for the trend line at least to break and retest. Because you see, it's oh God. The trend line is strong. Sometimes I have lapses. I'm sorry. What's going on? I'm trying different things with this YouTube to see if the algorithm will put me a little bit up, because right now I'm not visible under the live section. So I'm trying. I tried before to schedule the live, and it did not. You see, if you were to get in, and it did not work. Now I'm going live directly. That's why I don't know if it's working. YouTube don't like me. We are the children. We are the ones who make a better day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. Let's see. Look, this is, you can call this a retest soon if it breaks. If it breaks. Let's wait. Oh, Maria, let me look a little bit of Euro USD, but let's see, because it started breaking the trend line. Here we go. No. Don't forget, for me to consider a break, I need a full bearish or bullish candle above or below. So this is not, for me, I don't consider this a break. Even though it closed above, it's not a break for me, a clear break. I need a full. Hello, Ramesh. How are you? What view? I am the view or my back? Let's see. I'm good, I'm good. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay, gold did break this area. You can see I have a full bearish candle below. So now if it retests and break this, you can go in a short. Till somewhere here. This is gold. Marianne, let me see your euro USD. You are waiting for the short? Where? Let's see, let's mark this area. This is a supply. You can see the price went down. But I want to make sure I cover the full candle. Here we go. The price went down and up from here. So you went 11725. We watching the same? You went already? On what broker you watch? On Onda? Okay, EMA, you can see you can't trust the EMA because it's, you see, wavy. I see markets. Oh, where is I see? Ah, here we go. Let's see, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. So you want the price to get up here. 1725 here, back here, so you can go in a short. Mm-hmm. Let me go back to where it's the same. Pettine. Here. Yeah, but it might not happen today. This area that you're watching, yeah, here. It's such 1, 2, 3. But also watch this area right here. For a long, probably. Give me guys a like for the stream. Give me likes. Maybe YouTube is gonna start loving me. Interesting. I'm just looking how Euro USD moves. Hmm. I don't think this with the EMA on a euro is not as, just if it's a in a real trend, you see like here in a very clear trend, you can um, have a strategy around the EMA, but I think just supply and demand, support, resistance will work good. It's a little too late to say that you're sorry now. You kicked me when I was down. More, no more, no more. Here we go. It did break the trend line right here. Now, I need to break this, this consolidation, and I really will like to break the EMA to go on a long. But let's see. Maybe the market wants to go down today. Really down. Maybe you want to break this and retest so we can go on a short. I don't know. Oh, gold. Here we go. It didn't give me the. This was a fake breakout. If you're adventurous, you can go in long here. Me, I don't, cause the EMA is kind of flat like this. So I will be waiting. If I want to go in a long, I'll be waiting for a retest of the EMA. Look here, for example, let me Here it break the EMA with this candle, but it did not retest it. Remember, a retest is, for me, if you see my video, I need maximum 4 to 5 candles to break. So this is not a retest. It's 1, 2, 3, a bunch of candles around here. And here, same. Those are not retests. This is just a break. It's not a retest. Even the down sign is not a retest. It's not. So now, if it gets back to the EMA and it gives me a beautiful retest, I'll be confident to go for a long on gold. But again, this is my strategy. You guys, do you? You just see this rejection of this strong area, you can just go in if that's your strategy, you know? Because it is a strong area. It touches one many times and it just went up. You do you. Because in my years of trading, I find out what works for me. If I lose less, so if I if I take more trades and I lose, it gets me here, you know. So if I take one trade a day, 2 trades a day, and that's it, I'm more calmer. So I'm focusing on very high probability in my mind, in my strategy. I don't just, because once I start to take a bunch of trades every day, in, out, in, out, in, out, I can't think anymore. I really can't think. I'm getting into that zone. Next to me. Okay, let's go back to you make a mess of me. You know, it's probably the US 30 wanna consolidate around here, and it will probably break the EMA. So we can go on a on a long. Let's see. If you guys want me to watch to do a short analysis on your instrument that you're watching till I'm not really doing nothing here. Let's put an alarm if you cross this line to watch it. But I do have it on my other screen here, so let me know what you guys want me to watch. And please like this. Like, because I want YouTube to like me too. As it stands right now, it doesn't really like me. It doesn't push me up. Hello, Gerard. Ready to see the markets? I'm ready. I was born ready. No. But yeah, I'm watching the US 30. You can see. So take a long. I think it tries to retest this area right here, which is from yesterday. No, here. It was a demand down that it became a support. You can see here the price went a little down. So let's see. It did break the trend line. I want to break the consolidation line, this line. And I would really like to break the EMA. But let's see. I was a loser in gold. What did you do in a gold? You went there, you went short here? I was a loser yesterday in gold, so you're not alone. We all losers here, trust me. 100% we all. We can make a club, the loser club. Let the cool guys to be in their own club. Let's make our own club. The losers. Helia. Helia. Where are you from, Helia? Mm-hmm. It did. It did. Let's wait for a confirmation. Let's break the consolidation. This one here. And probably it's gonna break the US, the EMA. I will be waiting to break the EMA too, because it's very close. Let me see. Yeah, you can see here how nice it reacted at the EMA. You always want to look the one EMA before. It did reacted nice. So it might react again. And it reacted strong. You see? Let me change the trend line to different color. Here we go. So yeah, you want to wait for this. Today I have short 1 hour ago, but stop loss touch. In a gold? At here, at this part it touched. Yeah, it's a little messy right here. This area was messy. Now, Helia, what I'm looking for in a gold is a nice retest of the EMA. If it gets back to the EMA and it gives me a nice, beautiful retest, which you know how I, if you see my video on YouTube, I tell you exactly what I consider a nice retest. It's formed by maximum 4 candles. If it's 1 to 2, is a perfect one. So I want the price to come back down here and give me a retest, a nice retest that can hopefully push it. But right now, just stay away. You can you can even drop this area lower. You can see it make here a little consolidation, then it break it and retested it here. So it's a new area formed on a gold right here. Here we go, US. That's my alarm. This is my alarm, guys. Tiberio, are you going in? Elegant. Let's see, because you see it's too close to the EMA. Let's do this. Stop loss is kind of, because I think it's just gonna go till here. So I need to adjust the stop loss. Yeah. You don't see it here, Tiberio, but at 10 o'clock, let me show you on future sides, because I'm watching on a future size on my other screen. You see it also touched the EMA, and look at the rejection this week. Also here. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh, so you saw this week. Okay. The reason I'm on Forex for the live stream is because to see all the candles, to see live the future, you have to pay. You know, you have to pay for the you have to pay on trading view. If not, it's like 10 minutes delay. So I'm going to US 30 so everybody can see it in real time. What prop firm you're trying to pass? Apex. Okay. I hope you pass it. If I try to take the F in consideration, sometimes. If it's like a big one. Like, let me look for a. But many times the fair value gap, it kind of, if price passes, 49595, that's on futures, right? Yeah, it kind of, no, it doesn't align with this area. What did I? Because funny, look, if I look at but sometimes I don't remember what I mark. I mark this area right here. But what did I mark for? Ah, here. Let's take this off. This. Yeah, here we go. It gave me a rejection of the EMA. If you trade US 30 and you know how it moves, it usually moves very simple. It goes down, and once it's tired, it consolidates, goes up, and reverse, goes up, consolidates, goes down. It'll just go up and down, up and down, up and down. It's pretty, at least during, this is up and down. This is a consolidation though. at least during New York. It's pretty nice. I like how it moves. Everybody. I just read your messages. I spent to you on today. I didn't even know. Are you? Are you? You have the name? Is your birthday? I have my bowl under here. My yoga bowl, and if you hear something. Now report. Come on, let's see what gold is doing. Little gold. Here we go. Who's watching gold? 1. So now we count to see if it's gonna be a rejection. We mark the level where it touched, and if in the next 5 minutes, the next 2 minutes, it breaks it, that's a rejection. If it doesn't, it's not a rejection for me. Hello, Alpesh. Hello, hello. I am great. How are you? How you doing? Glory to you too. I love this glory. I'm gonna start using it more. Did you trade today, Alpesh? How is Nifty 50 doing? How is Nifty treating you? Please like my stream if you see this, Alpesh. Likes. Put me a like there. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Done. Thank you. What do you trade? Saksha. Tell me again, how do I pronounce your name? I forgot. No trade. Just learning. Okay. Sakin. Okay. You know what, Sakin? I'm gonna note this because your name is in my book, Sakin. No trades. Okay. If this candle breaks the blue line, the high of the first touch, you can consider it because it's 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give it, here we go. If you give it a grace, you can give it to the 5. If it breaks, you can consider this a rejection and you can take a long. Let's just take a long for. I'm just gonna take a long for the sake of the trade. I'm not gonna take this long in my cash account. Okay, let's risk $60. Let me put a little down. Okay. Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see this. But Tiberio, we're waiting. I made one trade at AMD and sell in the first candle. Okay, that's great. I'm gonna take a look of that. But let this trade ride. Don't forget, I'm learning gold with you guys. I only take gold trades with you in a live. Yeah, in the gold. I'm in a gold. I'm still learning the gold. In US 100, let's see. We're gonna leave the gold for a little bit on the side. Okay, US 100. It's in an uptrend. You can see it. It has nice rejections over EMA. It looks like you want to break this. What is this? 1030. Let me see here. So you can look for a long, wait for it to break this area. Wait for it to break this area. Because you can see there were a lot of sellers around here. If it breaks and retests the area, which it might break right now and retest, you can go in a long. Let me see on 5 minutes. Okay, I have this here, which is the same like this. So yeah, wait to break this area and retest it. What is gold doing? Oh. Or wait to see how it reacts around the EMA. It tries to break this area, but the sellers are coming in. Tiberio, you let me know if something happened with the Dow. What is it standing? I think you want to break the EMA. Yeah, you want to break the EMA soon. So it's again at the EMA. What do you think, Sahim, about the US 100? Does it match your analysis? Don't go yet. Wait for. Wait for. Don't go yet. I mean, it's up to you, but I'll suggest to wait a little bit more. At least to break this. Because this is a lot of sellers were here. Let me see on 1 hour. Okay, so at 1 hour, this will be a no trade zone right here. A lot of wicks. Pang, 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 pang. Shakira, Shakira. Here we go. I want to cover the week here, this week. Let's go back to 1 minute. Yeah, just wait. Hello. So my strategy is simple: break, retest. If break and retest if it breaks an area, retest if it's at the area of a demand or supply area, and the confirmation for me, I need the price to be below or above EMA. Easy. Right here I have the US 30. You can see it touched this area, which was a support area here. It rejected it, but now for me to get in a trade, I need the price to be above EMA. So yeah, supply, demand, support, resistance, break, retest, and EMA. And trend lines, because if you are in an uptrend, you'll also want to look at trend lines, the basic. Here we go. You see, it doesn't want to break the EMA yet. And a break for me, what I consider a clear break, is a full candle, bearish or bullish, below the area, below or above the area. Like a week like this, I don't consider it a break. A break, it's a full. So for example, this area, I did not consider this. This is a break because I have a full bearish that open and close below the area. Some people consider it just if they have a little wig or just a close above or below, but for me, I need a full candle. So now to consider the EMA break, I need a full bullish candle and the price to go above the first candle that touched the EMA in a consolidation. I want to make sure I confirmations. Many was confirmations. Sashin, you can let me know what is the US 100 doing. So if you want me, I can go later on. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay. But the gold, I am on plus. I'll probably close it here because this is a strong area. The reason why I got worthy. The reason why I got in this trade was because this was a previous support area, right? The price did reject it and went above the EMA, but the EMA, you could see it's choppy right here. It didn't act as nothing. So I said I'm gonna go in a trade where the EMA acts as a support. And for me, rejection of the EMA is maximum 4 candles. You can see I have it here. So I consider this a rejection, so I got into a long. If that makes sense. Si todavía me amas como antes. But full disclosure, I'm still learning the gold. My main instrument is US 30. Gold, I'm still learning exactly how it moves. That's just what works for me. I like to keep my chart simple. And I think 50 EMA is just the one in the middle. Usually some people use the 21, 50. So I use the somewhere in the middle. And 100, I think 100, 200. Because at this point, if it breaks the 50, it already break the 9 and 21. Why do I need that? As long as there are strategies that they put many EMAs, but they consider the cross of the EMA. Yeah, 1 minute. I do my analysis on 5 minutes, 1 hour, and then I enter on 1 minute. Let me put an alarm when the price touches this area. Create. So see. Anyway, the gold moved really, really ugly today. I just feel like getting out, but for the sake of a live trade, I'll here we go. We're getting ready to get into a long on US 30. Let's see. Okay, so no worries. So trading anything under 4 hours, you can close yourself as a scalper, looking for between 20 to 50 pips at a time. But using only one EMA is more like a swing trader. Yeah. Um, I mean, it's a day trader because I don't keep my trade for long. I take 1 to 2 trades a day, and I usually in 1 hour or so, it touch even stop loss or take profit. Um, okay, so how I execute? Okay, let me show you guys. This is this what I'm showing you right here. It's paper trading. I'm gonna show you right now my let me show you my cash account. 1 second. No, here. But I'm not gonna enter the trade. Wait a second. How do I? Okay. Oh, share. Now I'm switching Cosmix. Here. This is my live cash account. So how I usually do it, I'm thinking how much do I want to risk per trade. I don't really do it by pips. And because it's already integrating in trading view, you just click here, create limit order, and you put one contract and it says you want to risk $54. If I want to risk $500, I put 10 contracts. So I do it by how much I want to risk. And I move my stop loss. Like if I see I'm in a profit, I move my stop loss sometimes. So that's how I do it. Amount of money, how much I risk. And I do not leave a runner. I'm just going with. No, I do not trade crypto. Yes, yes. That's what I usually risk. But I'm just showing you an example. Depends how much you wanna. I'm not gonna. Depends how much you wanna risk. Maybe some people wanna risk just $50, even though they have a $50,000 account. I usually risk 1%, not even 2. Okay, for instance, on trade 5 minutes on gold only, I spend a lot of time coding my own EMAs, and on 5 minute charts that works best seems to be a 7 fast and a 17 slow. Yeah, let's go back to the gold. This is on 1 minute. The EMA 50 I for 1 minute. Maybe if you say you use the 5 minutes chart, probably a smaller or a lower EMA works better. I don't know. Let me put so you see. Yeah, let me know where you want me to zoom in. Okay, the blue line, what the blue line is the higher of the first candle that touched the EMA, because this is how I consider a retest. So this is the one that touched the EMA. So after this, if it breaks this blue line in the maximum 4 candle, I consider a rejection, a good rejection. Less candles, better. This is a rejection. It's a high probability, but I would say 70%, 60-70% probability, because it's 1, 2, 3. The fourth one did break it. This one right here, it's a better probability, because you see it touch it, and then the next one actually break. But you can see you have 1, 2, 3 touches of an EMA here. So the EMA is strong, but sellers around these areas are also strong. Can I send you? Yeah, you can send it to me on my Instagram. Let me know when you send it so I can look now. You also trade gold? At this point, I can even move my stop loss below the EMA. Because if it breaks the EMA, I'm gonna put it here. It's just gonna go down. On Instagram. Oh, Tiberio, you still here? What is the US 30 doing? That's my favorite man. Did you send it to me? The screenshot? You're still watching the US 30, Tiberio, yeah? Let me know when I should. He's dancing around, yeah? Let's go a little bit to it. Yeah, it doesn't want to break the blue line. At this point, it danced so much around that I need to break the blue. I'll see. To break the blue line and retest it. That's how much dancing around. And I'll put the stop loss below the consolidation. But let's see. Goldule, ce faci tu? Da, Pando. Romania. You too? Din Romania? Ești din Romania? N-am știut. Yes, I'm from Romania, Romania. Mă urmărești pe Instagram? Urmărește-mă pe Instagram. Romanian in the house. Interesting. I have a lot of Romanians. I mean, a lot, not a lot, but... Hello, Ramesh. I have Tiberiu in a chat from Romania. I don't know if I have Marian, if Marian is in a house. Marian is in a house. Okay, let me see. I'm going now to look. Oh, you probably do request. Hi, okay, I accept your request. I accept, you can send me. I'm gonna do a live trading on Romanians one of these days. But I don't know what hour will be the best. I don't want to wake up like at 5 a.m. And I don't want to kind of, because I want to do it also in English, because I have to do the one in English. Let's see what word is sending me here. It's 5 minutes. Trade this. No trade. Wait for opportunity. Oh, okay. So you circle the check in half minute. Okay, so you send me the cross of the EMAs. You can see the last cross that you sent me. It did cross and it kind of tried to retest the yellow. You see that? Let me go on. But yes, I'm in an area. I'm in a dangerous area. I know that. You see, I even mark it here. I am in a dangerous area. That's why I didn't risk too much either. But I think the price wants to go up. That's my... Here we go, look. Because if you go even on a 5 minutes, what EMAs you have here? Look right here. uh, the W. They might want to form a W. Where is the pen? I don't know where the pen is. Here. Punk, 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 punk. If it breaks this area, it might be a W. Here we go. It's gonna touch my profit, you see? I really have to analyze wordy because I'm not familiar with the EMA fast. EMA 7 crosses the blue. What's the blue line though? Ah, it's the WAP. Super trend. What is the super trend? Here we go. Profit hit. Profit hit. I mean, that was my thinking in the back for the gold. It did retest nice this area right here, which it was the previous area was a little bit high, so it kind of fake breaking it, and a bunch of buyers. So the buyers are in a house, and then I was looking at the EMA. The EMA was just bumbling around, so I didn't want to take it at the break here. I wanted to take it when the EMA actually acts as something, a support. So here is where the EMA acted as support. So I got in. And you can see it acted many times till the sellers got tired. The EMA was strong enough. Now this works all the time? No. But on a setup like this, you just want to risk a little bit. Because again, here you see this area is a strong area. Okay, now let's go to the US 30, guys, because here we go. Better speak English. Yeah, I mean, Pando. What's your name, Pando? Yes, I agree that I missed, but you can't think like that. You can't think, oh, what I missed. You have to think what you got. It's just a a bigger confirmation for me. But I'm gonna see Pando. Ah, Sergio. Pando. Okay, I'll call you Pando. Um, 150 EMA 50 on 1 minute. I don't think it's too much of a difference than the 17 EMA on 5 minutes. Let me put the 17 EMA just to see. I'll put the 17 EMA and then we'll go to 5 minutes and see. 17. I'll put it on 5 minutes. Oh, I can't. Why? I don't have that. 17. Okay, let's leave it like that. I'm gonna get ready to get in. Let me go in my cash first. I wanna be the one who traces all the love and sometimes I can't more. I don't know how to hold it. It's right. Okay. Not for you. What did I wanna do? To check the gold. And that's great, that works for you. You know, I couldn't, I I was there where used to take a lot of trades, but my mental, I couldn't deal the losing ones. And for me, I really need like a clear take profit, a clear stop loss. You know, let's go on a buy, guys. Probably, we'll see. Save me. Look, for example, here, if I was to consider the 17, across the 17 is just bumbling around. And here the 17 and 50 got crossed, so I went in a buy. But let's see. I wanted to see if the 17 on 5 minutes is different than how much different is the 1 minute on a gold. Oh, gold 5. Let me. Okay, so the 17, you can see it's around here. Let me draw it. I don't think I can change this. I don't have the 1 minute. Oh, okay. You see? It's exactly the same. My 1 minute, 50, 50 on 1 minute, it's exactly the same as 17 on 5 minutes if you trade on 5 minutes. There's no difference. Because you also have to consider my time frame is lower. So yeah. Your imagination. Let me get rid of this. No, don't tell me that you're leaving. I did enter in US 30. Did you? I need you to use your imagination. I need you to use your imagination. No, don't tell me that you're. Where did you put, if you Tiberi, if you went in, where did you put your stop loss? Below the EMA or below the area? Change your mind. Wardy, do you only trade gold? And I hate the spam calls. I see you, Panzo. Oh, can I ask you, in a picture that you send me on the right, what is that? It's an indicator? 3Felix intelligence solution. What is that? Like I don't know, nobody's gonna love you. Like I do. Oh, we just need Tiberio here. We just need. Oh, I need to adjust this because I usually go for two. I want to make sure I have the two. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Spend months. Yeah, interesting. And does it works only for you, right? Super trend. So all those needs to be green. All check. WAP, long, all needs to be green, right? Long or short. You're very smart, sir. Yeah, sure. But what's the profit like? How many times you lose and how many times profitable? How many times in percentage? Like over 100 trades, how many are losses? 75% from the 30 trades, right? But over 100 trades, because sometimes it's different. It's upper or lower. Might be upper. Or you don't have over. Can you change there and see over the last 100 trades? Now. Oh, Tiberio, it looks like this. Don't do this to me. Dow, don't do it. Go do your thing. Go up. Come in now. Come in now. You know what I feel right now? You remember, guys, when I said I need to break this blue line and retest it in order to get in. Now I feel like why I didn't wait for that. It did break, but my enter should be, we all humans. I should have been waiting to pass this. DYE custom strategy bull sitting here. This is all indicators in one. You choose what to use for your strategy. Antivirus. I don't need no fun. I don't like to, Pando, I don't like to complicate my chart. What indicators you use? Because I figure out, like, I find out as simple as it is, more simple, more profitable I am. Trust me, I used to have a bunch of indicators. I think I even have screenshots. Here said, see this indicator. It's all indicators in one. Let me see. D Y E. No. How do I find it? Which one is? DIY. This one? 19? This? Okay, so my entry matches. You see? I didn't even know, but my entry matches this arrow. Let me see. My entry here matches this. If it matches, that crazy. My entry did match this arrow, but it's after it passed it, you see? It's not this one. I think when it's the arrow, you have to wait for it to pass that. Send me a screenshot of yours. Let me see here. But it's not a bad indicator. Let me start it and analyze it. I'm gonna analyze it. Let me see other trades that I took. Do I have here any? Oh, here is a plus, yeah. When did I took a short? I took here a short, but you see I don't have the arrow. Interesting. Very interesting indicator. I'll actually take a look and analyze it and do some trades using it, and I'll probably add it to my strategy, Pando. I'll do some back testing this weekend. And so is this one or is not this one, Pando? Tiberio, did you took the trade or no? You know, at this point, we can move the stop loss below here. And watch this area right here. Did anybody took this trade with me? Yes, you did took? That's good. Thank you for trusting me. But again, 49 to 80. Ah, so yeah, you entered before. Your entry is better than mine. Because I entered to 95. Your entry is better. Entry. Now we have to watch this area. When it touches this area, see how it's gonna react. The indicator I found, DIY, this one. What you tell me? From Shen, 19 users. But send me the indicators that you said too. $19K user. I don't have no. Ah, this one, DI custom strategy. This one. Which one is? I don't see it on my chart though. Ah, no, I don't like it. I already know I don't like it. Because it gives me this here. It's changed my candles. The other one is better visually. Well, let me see if it's, and you see you have more how you call this, alerts, long, short, long. This one that by mistake I found it is just one. You see, one here. And if it, you know how I'm gonna use it? If this arrow matches my analysis, which it matched perfectly, I'll just, I'll just put it as another confirmation thing. But this one, I don't like this one. I can already tell you I don't like it. You see, it gives you a lot of fake signals. The one that you said. A lot of fakes. Don't like that. Let's stick with this one that I found it. Put it this way, Pando. You told me about it. And everything in life happens for a reason. So I found this indicator because of you for a reason. Correct? So let's find out what's the reason. Because I like it. I can tell you I like it. I'll play around with it later. I have a PC. It's a Lenovo Yoga. The one with two screens. Man, I'm bad. Let me tell you. Okay, Yoga Book 9. Lenovo. Okay, so it touches this area right here. Hey Robert, welcome back. How was your vacation? Where you been? Did you guys change your stop loss? Pick up the kiddos and took them to see my dad. Family vacation, those are the best. It is, right? Interesting indicator. Interesting indicator. Black and straight hair, yep. Already sent me a video. Trading is going not bad, but hello, Scotty. Worded, but I see here you got in a trade before. Like the super trend was red and you got in a trade. Like, why did you get in a trade? My morning is great. If yesterday I had 2 losses in a row, today I might had the 2 winning. We'll see. At this point, I think I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. Because it's below the EMA, and the EMA did act as a support. So I just feel a little bit lower than EMA, because if it gives a fake breakout, here we go. Just risking $60. Did you guys move your stop loss? You know, if it gets here, it might actually get right here. You know, at this point, we can just trail. We can just trail it. Let's put the take profit here. Here. Just below this here. Oh, I actually have one here. Let's see. This is US 30. What history? I just discovered, Scotty, I just discovered today a new indicator. One of my viewers, Pando, suggested, and I kind of like it. I just have to, I'm gonna keep it for now in my next sessions. So just study it and see what's going on with it. And the rest, I only have the EMA, and I did mark here the 10 o'clock, this big red candle. I marked the week to see how price reacts around there. Yeah. I feel like if it breaks this white line, I'll just take profit. Ramesh, are you watching me? If you watch me, say something in the comments. Ramesh. Is Ramesh in the house? Okay, if Ramesh is in the house because he's asking me questions on Instagram, but it's easier for me to answer here. I did enter this trade at 49295. Tick-tock, ani track, Kimber. Jet, my no. You know, I wanna put a stop loss below this white line, but then I'm thinking maybe we'll get back to the EMA and react again. You know what? I'm just gonna move. Okay, I put at the break even. Confirm. So at this point, it's something or nothing. It's break even. Okay, worry. You code your indicators once. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, of course, you don't have to work for free. You have to sell it. But let me ask you, how many trades in total, not just this week, you took with this indicator that you coded? Because if you sell it for people, it needs to be at least hundreds of trades over, like, uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, like to see how it works on all that. It's gonna touch my take profit. Guys, I'm just gonna put my initial take profit because after it takes the profit, I'm gonna get out of the stream. This was my initial. So if it's gonna touch it, I'll be happy, which it might. I just wanna delete this. Okay. Harpal, where did you put your take profit, or are you trailing this?
Nu întreb totuși de ce am făcut asta, de ce nu mai credea că poate rezista.
Yeah, today take profit. But where did you place your stop or your profit? Same? 49,400? Or where did you put yours? Four to eight. Ah, so this line. Okay, that's not a bad. Yeah. That's not bad. But yeah, at this point, start trailing your trade and watch if it breaks this white line. But because we are already in profit a lot, so it will be sad to just lose it all. You know? Let's do it here. Let's make some money. I move my stop loss on profit. I trade live, so I don't take every trade, but I do have 2 years back test. Oh, so you have this for back stay. It's two lots. Oh, okay, that's a very good win rate. 77% is very good. Okay, that's great. The exit, yeah. So you are in a profit because you also enter earlier than me. So you are good now. You are good. Let's see what gold is doing. I did took a trade on gold, guys, right here. So for people that didn't see, my stop loss should always be below the last low. Yeah. What if it works on crypto? Panda what? This indicator or what? Or the indicator that Wordy does? I think he coded for gold, but I don't know. Wordy, anyway, my stop loss, yeah, it was below. The initial one was below the last low. Here we go. Let's hit the profit. Don't hurt me. Pull down on me. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Do. I'm already 2 hours in. Did you close? Did you close your trade? Close your trade. Don't go to sleep with the open trade. You cannot get rest. I mean, if you can. Maybe you can. I can't. I would be waking up in the middle of the night checking my phone. But yeah, thank you for watching me and trusting my analysis. And I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Oh, okay. Okay, let me know if you touch it because I think your stop or take profit is a little bit higher than mine. Let me know tomorrow how it went, yeah? Good night. Good night, Marianne. You going too? Like, don't go. Just wait 5 more minutes for this. It's not so late in Romania. To touch, to take profit or. So Pando, he said that his indicator doesn't work on anything but gold. Yeah, because he coded it himself. And he coded it for gold. It's a little too late, so say that you're sorry now. You kicked me when I was down. No, no. The viewer left. He left to sleep. I'll probably, because you see this, I'll probably close it soon. If it breaks the white line, yep, Euro dezamăgit today. Te-a dezamăgit euro. Nothing? You didn't sook nothing or you didn't? What's going on with the euro? Euro. Pando, where are you from Romania? Yeah. Cluj. Oh, nice. We close. I mean, close. I'm from Batra Dornei. My brother studies in Cluj, so I've been there a few times. Chasing you. It's time to close the trade or no? Let's see another reaction of the EMA, and if it doesn't give me a goodbye trade, we're closing it. Tiberio, you still here? You are in a trade? Because I know we were watching together. Running from myself no more. Tiberio left the house, left the group. Tiberio. Running. Oh, I'm already over 2 hours here. Okay, guys, I think. Let's see. Move the stop loss here. Okay, guys, say something in the comments. Where else you guys watching it from, and how did you find me? Do you trade every day? Yeah, every day. Not every day I have a trade. I take a trade. Every day I am in front of the computer waiting for a setup, but I don't take everyday trades. There are days where I just Don't do nothing. Thank you. Harisiman King. Harisinam. Oh, okay, from Instagram. Thank you. Yeah, at this point, Harisiman, my stop loss is already on a profit. It's below this white line and EMA. Let me change the line to different colors so it's easier. And below the EMA. So let's see what's gonna happen. I did mark this area here this week at 10 when the news came. So you can see the price did react around this area. Oh, it's 4:20 a.m. Where you from? Wordy. Okay, good night. See you next time. I'll be here every day, Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. This live trading is not bad. I thought it's gonna, depends. Australia. Oh, good night. Good night. It makes me more disciplined, but when I lose, I feel it more. And when I win, I also feel it more. So, yeah. Okay, the price is at the EMA. Let's see. Australia. Good morning. He said good morning, true. um, true. Okay, so I can see it reacted to the EMA. Great. Great, great, great. Let's go. I just need a big ass candle. Okay, I'm gonna stay till 12:30, and if it doesn't touch none of my take profit or stop loss, I'll update you guys on Instagram. Okay? Because I'm hungry. I'm hungry, I wanna eat. I did not have my breakfast or lunch. But next time when I'll do the live, I'll have some food here. I'll eat in front of you guys, no problem. Let me make a quick poll. Let me see if I can do. Okay. Start a poll. Take profit or stop loss. Let me see. Did I put? Let's go to vote. But keep in mind, stop loss is still on a profit. Just like you watching and do your analyze. Like if you were to say, me personally, I'm 50-50 for real. I'm 50-50, I don't know. I do like how it reacted at the EMA. I do like that. Mm, 6 more minutes. Maybe in 6 minutes we'll. You say the price hit stop loss, but hope for you take profit. You hit stop loss. I do want to look at the Euro USD, but to see what you did there. Do you trail? And why Euro USD, Mariana? You know what? Let me go fast to see. What is it? Euro USD. What did you take? Oh, you were saying you want to wait for the price to get around here, right? It didn't got here yet. It's just dancing around. But look, this indicator don't work too good on a on Euro USD. It just, you see, just at the change trend, it says buy, but it went down. It says sell, it went up. This indicator don't work too good for that. Pando. It worked great on US 30, but on here, I hope. And you pass it? Man, I hope you pass it. But if you don't pass it, your next challenge, go with the go in Hola Prime. I do work with them and they good people. I'm not just saying, they are good people. And they pay you in an hour, which is great. Okay, let's see what you guys saying about this. 80% take profit, 20% stop loss. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. My stomach is already. 2 more minutes. I go eat, guys. 2 more minutos. But I'll keep you posted, of course, on Instagram. Did you like a friend? Boom. Okay, my friends. That's it for the live today. I'm gonna go eat something. I let this trade run. I also did the same thing in my cash account. My stop loss is right here. And that's it for today. I'll see you mañana, tomorrow. I'll update you on Instagram how this trade went, in case you want to know. And yeah, thank you for watching me. I really appreciate it. Bye bye. Thank you, Breadman. See you guys tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. Yep, how is this candle gonna close? Da-da-da-da-da. Probably it's gonna hit a stop loss. Bye.